In today's lesson, we'll be adding two fractions. The fractions we're working with are 3/4 and 1/8. We'll break this process down step by step. The first step in adding fractions is to find a common denominator. The denominators of our fractions are 4 and 8. A common denominator is a number that both denominators can divide into evenly. The least common denominator is usually the smallest of the common denominators. In this example, 8 is the smallest number which both 4 and 8 divide evenly. Now we need to convert these fractions to have the common denominator. The fraction with 1/8 already has this denominator, so we don't need to change it. However, we do need to convert 3/4 into eighths by multiplying both its numerator and denominator by 2. This will give us an equivalent fraction with the denominator of 8. Therefore, 3/4 is equal to 6/8. Now that both fractions have the same denominator, we can add the fractions by combining their numerators while using the common denominator. By adding the fractions, we find 7/8, and this is already in its simplest form. So, when you add the fractions 3/4 and 1/8, you get 7/8. Let's summarize what we learned. First, we found a common denominator, which was 8. Then, we converted the fractions to have this common denominator. Finally, we added the numerators while keeping the common denominator, resulting in the sum 7/8.